Yes, Honorable. Sorry, I wasn't clear whether when you were answering Commissioner Mwanza's question, did you differentiate between an appeal and a review?
I really did not go to that extent. Yes.
Could you please tell us the difference between an appeal and a review of a decision, a court decision?
Thank you, my lady. An appeal basically deals with the merits of the matter, the legality, legal aspects of a decision made by the lower court. A review basically deals with the process, whether the propriety, whether it was made in a proper manner, whether the processes were followed in the process of arriving at the decision.
Okay, so can one appeal from a decision of the Supreme Court? Can one appeal from the decision of the Supreme Court?
Okay, the Supreme Court of Kenya is the highest court in the land. It is the final court. So after the Supreme Court makes a decision, then that brings the matter to the end.
Okay. Can one apply for a review of the Supreme Court decision?
Tricky one. But I think the grounds for review, I think there are instances where an application for review can be made. I remember reading a case, the Methodist Church case, where they sought an order of review from the Supreme Court, and the Supreme Court gave guidelines, circumstances under which it could depart from its own decisions.
Do you remember any of the grounds?
Yes, I remember one of the grounds is if, for example, the law had changed, or if, for example, the decision was made per incurium, or the circumstances of the society had changed because the Constitution is a living document. If the circumstances had changed so that the change in the decision had to be made so that to make it conform with the new developments in the society.
Okay. Thank you very much. Those are my questions.
Thank you, my lady.